Hello and welcome, this is JNM with a new Unity tutorial about the NavMesh and obstacles. Let's start again with my Unity low poly game kit and the demo scene, and in the previous part we added animated trees to simulate wind effects. But this is a skeletal animation and therefore the skinned mesh renderer is used for the tree and not a mesh renderer, and when I switch to the navigation tab now you can see the problem. When baking the NavMesh, the mesh renderers are taken into account for calculating the areas where the NavMesh agent isn't allowed to walk, but not the skinned mesh renderers, and so we don't get these forbidden areas around our animated trees. But there's a simple solution for this, just select the tree and press Add Component, and then search for the NavMesh obstacle. As a shape I use the capsule, then I decrease the radius and move it a bit upwards. And after that I enable carve so that it is carved into the NavMesh. Just like that, and when I switch now to the navigation tab again, there's an area around the animated tree now for which no NavMesh is generated. And look at this, it is dynamic, I can move the tree around and the NavMesh is updated on the fly. Alright, the last thing that I do is to apply the prefab, so that these changes are applied to all the animated tree models in the scene. Okay guys, so let's start and pick up the axe, so that the sheep will flee and run away. And then you can see that it seems to avoid the area around the animated tree. Alright, that's it for the NavMesh and obstacles tutorial. I really hope you find it useful, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. If you want to support me, please be my patron, this would really help this channel grow. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and see you soon here on JNM.